Hi, this is how to export Woocommerce orders to Google Sheet in real time. Go to woosheet.com and create an account. I already had an account, so I just need to log in. Create a workflow by clicking on New Workflow button and give it a name. Now, we need to create a new spreadsheet on Google Sheets. To create a new spreadsheet, open the Sheets home screen. Click New. This will create and open your new spreadsheet. Now, we have to name the field with the info we want to import from Woocommerce, like order ID, name, product name, total. Go back to workflow we created on Woosheet and click New Account. A pop-up will be open. Choose the email associated with the spreadsheet we just created and follow the instructions. Now select the account spreadsheet name and sheet name. Once you select the sheet, the field name you added on it will shown below. All you have to do now is drag and drop the data you want to export to your sheet and click Save. Also, you can choose which order status you want to automatically export. You can choose completed order. For me, I want to export all orders, so I'll make turned off. Then copy the Webook URL and go to your WordPress dashboard. Click Woocommerce setting, then Advanced and click on Webook. Click on Add Webook and give it a name. Make the status active. In topic, choose Order Created. In Delivery URL, paste the Webook URL you copied from Woosheet, then click Save the Webook, and you're done. If you want to send order update also to Google Sheet, follow this last step. Go back to your workflow, and this time choose Order Updated. Choose which field you want to send its updates. For me, I want the order status to be updated, so I will choose Status. Then copy the Webook URL and go to Webhooks and Woocommerce setting, click Add Webhook. And pass the URL you copied from Woosheet. But this we will choose the topic as order updated. And don't forget to make the status as active.